Man, a lot of things the upside down wa. I asigi akana manzu. Mo aka jofo na manzu. Let's say akana manzu. Because no more take you no na akani mabanzu aka ebe mabuni. Na aka ebe waki ikenga. I asigi na akana manzu ada amuni, suggesting that Unyi is inferior or less pure. But I'm putting it to you. And let the chemical people in the chemistry, let them come and disprove it to me. I'm putting it to you that Unyi is purer than Nzu. Ibu puta Nzu nani. All the likely ni metal, heavy metal toxicity. Here they call lead poisoning, right? Or maybe other heavy metals. On have the disadvantage of eating Nzu, otherwise eat away, right? And lead poisoning is very toxic, very bad. I think for the blood or something. Mana Unyi Okobaoisi. Yes, I'm thinking in my head that maybe some of the chemicals of the wood might still be in the thing, but I can't say. That's why I send the chemist to come and tell me. But Okobaoisi, if Okoba, oye incinerate things and things in the oisi. So in my opinion, Unyi the purer than Nzu. So my boy, Alusi marunyi bia nulo num. I'm this Ojadiligbo new song, bro. Hit the nail on the head. Envy. As the one.